Today in history, 1972, the deadliest snowstorm in history kills 4,000. Iran blizzard was the deadliest in recorded history, killing over 4,000 people during a week-long extreme storm from February 3rd to 9th, 1972. Dropping up to 26 feet, that is 8 meters of snow. The event buried roughly 200 villages, particularly in western, central, and southern Iran, leaving some with no survivors. President Clinton ends trade embargo of Vietnam. Bill Clinton officially lifted the 19-year-old U.S. trade embargo against Vietnam, aiming to normalize relations and boost economic ties. This executive action was driven by Hanoi's increased cooperation in accounting for American prisoners of war and missing in action personnel, while also opening new commercial opportunities in the region. 1780 mass murder of the Ferebee family in North Carolina on February 3, 1780. Barnett Davenport commits a mass murder in rural Connecticut. Caleb Mallory, his wife, daughter-in-law, and 2 grandchildren were killed in their home by their brother. Davenport, its word contributes to a change in the way the young nation views crime and criminals. To some observances, African American Coaches Day, celebrated annually on the first Tuesday of February, honors the crucial contributions, mentorship, and leadership of Black coaches in sports and business. It coincides with Black History Month to highlight achievement, encourage diversity, and combat racial disparities in coaching. National Missing Persons Day raises awareness for the roughly 2,300 people reported missing daily. This day supports families, highlights unresolved cases, and encourages sharing information to aid in locating missing individuals. It honors the missing and helps foster community action. National Wedding Ring Day, to honor the tradition, symbolism, and history of wedding bands as tokens of commitment. It serves as a romantic occasion for couples to celebrate their marriage, showcase their rings, or reignite their spark. Lastly, National Women Physicians Day, to honor the 1821 birth of Dr. Elizabeth Blackwell, the first woman to receive a medical degree in the United States in 1849. This day celebrates the achievement of female physicians, promotes gender equality in medicine, and addresses ongoing challenges like the gender pay gap. And that's all for today on Today in History and Some Observances, live on Ghana Talks Breakfast Show.